Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And today I would like to share with you this piece that I have in the grand dining room ceiling of my gigantic dollhouse. Now, I had gone to a curtain store a few months ago to buy some curtains for my aunt, and when I was in the curtain section I noticed these pieces. I have two of these, and they work in conjunction with this one that I'm moving around, but I'm just using it in this video to point at things. So anyway, this alone is a curtain clip, these two pieces. So you clip one of your panels, and then being that there are two of these and two of these, that's your two curtain panels right there for one window. So anyway, so I bought these to repurpose, and I already repurposed the other one. The other one I turned into a table, and I had shared a video with you on that, and I also demonstrated how it looks on my real curtain panels. But I'm not using it on my curtains because it's really not my style to put these things on my curtains, you know what I'm saying? I bought this totally for repurposing. So now that I have my table here, I said to myself, well, this room needs a real fancy ceiling. So that is what I did. Right here, this is paper. This is decorative paper. If you see it closely, it has just a little touch of white and a little touch of light beige. So you can't really see it, but it's neutral. And this piece here is a magnet. It's a few magnets put together, and they are being held by the magnets on the room above, which is the girls' room. So those magnets are holding these magnets. That means that I can add any light fixture that I want and it'll stay up. Now this whole piece, I placed it on there using these little adhesive rectangles from the Dollar Tree. They're right there. I'm not sure if you can see them right there. There's one right there, there's one there. So I went all around, and this will not fall. It's very sturdy, as well as the table. The table, this is a napkin. Underneath the napkin there is cardboard, so no matter what I place on there, the table's pretty sturdy and nothing will cave in, even if it's heavy. So that's how I made my table. So back to the ceiling piece. Look at how fancy that looks. Now let me tell you how that magnet works. This always happens to me. Alright, so I have a light here from Walmart. This is from Walmart, okay? So I'm going to place it on here. Look how easy that was. It's not right in the middle, but anyway, so you get the idea. But that is not the light that I feel goes with that piece. So I have another one. Let's remove this one and place the one that I want on there, which would be this one. So the battery pack is magnetic right there, and that is it. I hate that the battery pack shows, especially if you were to look at it from that angle, but you can't see that because as we're looking at the room from here, you can't tell anyway. So that was my idea, this round fancy piece in conjunction with this piece for this room. And you know what? I might end up going back to the store and getting another one. I tested one right on this wall and it looked beautiful. But of course, I'm not going to fill this whole room with these pieces, right? You know, it will be overwhelming. But maybe for another creation, I can use one of these on the wall. So yes, for those of you who haven't seen this room, it's supposed to be a little dessert room with the polystone gem Victorian ladies with the beautiful dresses. And it's funny because that one that you see over there, that one, she matches the one on the locket on the wall. It looks like her, but it's not, of course. It just looks like her. Then those gold pieces that you see on that wall between the windows, those are push pins. That's a package of push pins from the Dollar Tree. Then there's a table there, which is supposed to be a cardboard box with 2 drawers from the Dollar Tree. Then there's some pictures there on a table. Well, that's not actually a table, it's a candle holder. But I added those pieces. They're a little oversized, but you can't tell from here. When you look from here, you can't tell that they're not the scale of the pieces in this room. This is a new frame. Look at how beautiful. Then we have a plant there, and we have a very fancy phone in that corner. Right there, I got it from Hobby Lobby. Then we have a very fancy clock over there. A corner shelf cabinet. Another frame here. We have some apples. These were part of a bracelet. So I cut the string and I ended up with loose apples. And then we have a station here for wine and grapes. So this is the grand dining room of the gigantic dollhouse, which you've probably seen before, but in this video, remember, this was all about this light fixture here and the added frame, plus the pictures in the back. So these are new items added to this room. So I hope that you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for your time. And thank you so much for watching.